Let's first make sure that we understand the difference between circumference and area. The circumference of a circle is the perimeter of the circle. Imagine the circle is straightening itself out like this. The length of this line segment is the circumference of the circle. The circumference is actually equal to the length of 3 diameter plus 0.14 of another diameter. Therefore, circumference is equal to diameter into 3.14. Area. The area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. It is always measured in square units such as square centimeters, square feet, square inches, etc. Now it's time to move forward with some new stuff. Consider the following. A farmer dug a flower bed of radius 7 meter at the center of a field. He needs to purchase fertilizer. If 1 kg of fertilizer is required for 1 square meter area, how much fertilizer should he purchase? And case 2 is, what will be the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of radius 2 meter at the rate of 10 rupees per square meter? Can you tell what we need to find in such cases, area or perimeter? In such cases, we need to find the area of the circular region. Let us find areas of circle. Draw a circle and shade one half of the circle. Now fold the circle into 8 and cut along the folds like this. Arrange the separate pieces as shown, which is roughly a parallelogram. The more sector we have, the nearer we reach an appropriate parallelogram. As done above, if we divide the circle into 64 sectors and arrange this sector, it gives nearly a rectangular like this. I have made this model to practically explain and drive the formula of area of circle. I have divided this circle in 60 equal parts, and with the same part I have made this parallelogram. I have connected this thread. When I pull this thread, you can see that base of this parallelogram is equal to half of its circumference of circle, as it was connected exactly to its half. Now let's drive the formula. What is the width of this rectangle? The width of this rectangle is the radius of the circle, that is r. As the whole circle is divided into 16 sectors and on each side we have 8 sectors, the length of the rectangle is the length of the 8 sector, which is half of the circumference. Area of the circle. Area of rectangle thus formed is equal to L into B is equal to half of circumference into radius is equal to half into 2 pi r into r is equal to pi r square. So the area of the circle is equal to pi r square. We will see another way of finding formula of area of circle through this video. Let's see. So it's practice time. I have few examples for you. Example 1. Diameter of circular garden is 9.8 meter. Then find its area. Solution. Diameter is given, d is equal to 9.8 meter. Therefore radius r is equal to 9.8 divided by 2 is equal to 4.9 meter. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 by 7. We put the value of r is equal to 4.9 square is equal to 22 by 7 into 4.9 into 4.9 meter square is equal to 75.46 meter square. And I have an example 2. Find the area of circle of radius 30 centimeter and use pi is equal to 3.14. Solution. Radius is given r is equal to 30 centimeter and area of the circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 3.14 into 302 is equal to 2826 centimeter square. Few questions of NCERT exercise. Question. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Take pi is equal to 22/7. Solution. From the question, it is given that circumference of the circle is equal to 154 meter. Then we know that circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Circumference is given. Therefore, 154 is equal to 2 into 22/7 into r. And we have to find radius. Therefore, 154 is equal to 44/7 into r. Therefore, r is equal to 154 into 7 divided by 44. Therefore, r is equal to 14 into 7 divided by 4. Finally, r is equal to 7 into 7 divided by 2 is equal to 49/2. So finally, we got r is equal to 24.5 meter. Now area of the circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 22/7 into 24.5 whole square, because we got r is equal to 24.5 is equal to 22/7 into 600.25 is equal to 22 into 85.75. Therefore, area of the circle is equal to 1886.5 meter square. So the radius of the circle is 24.5 and area of circle is 1886.5 meter square. I have another question for you. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Solution. From the question, it is given that radius of circular sheet r is equal to 4 centimeter. A circle of radius to be removed r is equal to 3 centimeter. Then the area of the remaining sheet is equal to pi r square minus pi r square. There are two r. One is capital for long radius like 4 centimeter, and there is a small r also for 3 centimeter. Therefore, the area of the remaining sheet is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square is equal to 3.14 into 42 minus 32 is equal to 3.14 into 16 minus 9 is equal to 3.14 into 7 is equal to 21.98 centimeter square. So the area of the remaining sheet is 21.98 centimeter square. Let's do another question. Question. Find the cost of polishing a circular table top of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is 15 meter per square. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Diameter is given 1.6 meter and radius is equal to diameter by 2 is equal to 1.6 divided by 2 is equal to 0.8 meter. Area is equal to 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8 is equal to 2.0096 meter square. So cost of polishing 1 meter square area is equal to 15 rupees. So therefore cost of polishing 2.0096 meter square area is equal to 15 into 2.0096 is equal to 30.14. Therefore, it will cost Rs 13.14 for polishing such circular table. Let's do another question. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meter square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meter. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? Take pi is equal to 3.14. Let's do it. So area of circle is given 3.314 meter square. Therefore 3.14 into r square is equal to 314. Therefore, r square is equal to 314 divided by 3.14. Therefore, is equal to 100. Therefore, r is equal to 10 meter. So we got value of r is equal to 10 meter. Just the sprinkler will water the whole garden. There is some question for you guys. Rohan and his friend ordered a pizza on Friday night. Its slice was 15 centimeter in length. Calculate the area of the pizza that was ordered by Rohan. You can assume that the length of the pizza slice is equal to the pizza's radius. Let's see another one. A racetrack is in the form of a circular ring. The inner radius of the track is 58 meter and the outer radius is 63 meter. Find the area of the racetrack. Let's do another one. The time zone in a circular clock is 3 p.m. The length of the minute hand is 21 centimeter. And find the distance traveled by the tip of the minute hand when the time is 3:30 p.m. Let's see another one. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? Use pi is equal to 3.14. Answer. Radius of flower bed is equal to 33 meter, and radius of flower bed and path together is equal to 33 plus 4 is equal to 37 meter. Area of flower bed and path together is equal to 3.14 into 37 into 37 is equal to 4298.66 meter square. Then area of flower bed is equal to 3.14 into 33 into 33 is equal to 3419.46 meter square. So area of path is equal to area of flower bed and path together minus area of flower bed. Therefore, is equal to 4298.66 minus 3419.46 is equal to 8079.20 meter square. Therefore, summary of area of circle is the perimeter of a circle is the distance around the outside, and the area of a circle is the space inside it. Pi is an irrational number and area of circle is equal to pi r square.